Have you ever wondered how one simple food could transform your digestion, boost your immunity, and even make your skin glow? Introducing sauerkraut, the superfood your health has been waiting for. In today's video on VitalityVista, we'll uncover 10 incredible benefits of sauerkraut that make it a nutritional powerhouse. From improving gut health to detoxifying your body, you'll discover why adding this fermented favorite to your diet is a game changer. Ready to unlock the secrets to better health? 1. Rich in probiotics. Sauerkraut is a powerful source of probiotics, beneficial live bacteria that contribute to a balanced gut microbiome. The fermentation process transforms cabbage into a health-boosting food by allowing natural bacteria to thrive. These probiotics, especially lactobacillus, aid in the breakdown of food, promoting better digestion and absorption of nutrients. By regularly incorporating sauerkraut into your diet, you can support your gut health by maintaining a healthy balance of bacteria, which is essential for overall well-being. A thriving microbiome helps prevent digestive issues like bloating, constipation, and gas, allowing your digestive system to work more efficiently. 2. Supports immune health. The probiotics in sauerkraut have a profound impact on immune health by enhancing gut function, which directly influences the body's ability to fight infections. A healthy gut microbiome ensures that the body can effectively absorb nutrients, break down harmful substances, and fight off pathogens. Probiotics promote the growth of beneficial bacteria, which in turn strengthens the gut lining, reducing the chance of harmful bacteria entering the bloodstream. This fortification of the gut barrier helps prevent chronic illnesses, autoimmune conditions, and infections. By consuming sauerkraut regularly, you provide your body with a natural defense mechanism against harmful invaders. 3. Packed with vitamin C. Sauerkraut is an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that plays a significant role in overall health. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, which supports skin elasticity and joint health. It also helps with the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, making sauerkraut a valuable addition to any diet, particularly for vegetarians or those at risk of iron deficiency. In addition, vitamin C strengthens the immune system by protecting cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can damage the body's tissues and organs. By regularly consuming sauerkraut, you ensure an adequate intake of this vital nutrient. 4. Improves digestion. Sauerkraut is known for its ability to aid digestion due to its fermentation process, which enhances its enzyme content. The naturally occurring enzymes help break down complex foods in the stomach, making digestion smoother and more efficient. These enzymes are particularly beneficial for individuals who struggle with digestive issues like indigestion, acid reflux, or heartburn. By consuming sauerkraut, you introduce enzymes that assist in the breakdown of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates, easing the burden on your digestive system. This makes it easier for the body to absorb nutrients and maintain a healthy digestive tract. 5. High in fiber. Sauerkraut is packed with fiber, a crucial nutrient that supports digestive health and overall well-being. Fiber helps to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation by adding bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass. For individuals suffering from irregular bowel movements or sluggish digestion, sauerkraut offers a natural solution that can promote regularity. Fiber also helps control blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which can prevent spikes and crashes in energy. This makes sauerkraut an excellent addition to the diet for those looking to stabilize their blood sugar levels. 6. Aids in weight management. Due to its high fiber content and low calorie count, sauerkraut is an ideal food for those looking to manage or lose weight. The fiber in sauerkraut helps promote feelings of fullness, which can curb unnecessary snacking and reduce overall calorie intake. Eating fiber-rich foods like sauerkraut can keep hunger at bay, allowing you to maintain a calorie deficit without feeling deprived. This can be especially beneficial for those trying to lose weight, as fiber not only helps with appetite control, but also stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing cravings and energy dips throughout the day. The fermentation process of sauerkraut also increases its nutrient density, meaning it provides maximum health benefits with minimal calories. Since sauerkraut is low in calories but packed with beneficial bacteria, fiber, and vitamins, it allows you to enjoy a fulfilling and healthy snack or side dish without worrying about excess calorie consumption. 7. Supports heart health. Sauerkraut contributes to heart health in several ways, thanks to its rich nutrient profile. The fiber found in sauerkraut plays a significant role in lowering bad cholesterol, LDL levels, which is a key factor in preventing cardiovascular diseases. By reducing LDL cholesterol and promoting healthy blood circulation, sauerkraut helps maintain a healthy heart. Additionally, the probiotics in sauerkraut have been linked to improved blood pressure regulation, which can further reduce the risk of heart disease. Consuming sauerkraut regularly as part of a heart-healthy diet can enhance the health of your cardiovascular system and protect against chronic conditions like high blood pressure and atherosclerosis. 8. Detoxifies the body. Sauerkraut's fermentation process not only makes it rich in probiotics, but also helps detoxify the body by promoting liver health. The liver plays a central role in filtering out toxins and waste from the body, and sauerkraut's active compounds support this process by improving the efficiency of detoxification. The probiotics in sauerkraut help eliminate harmful bacteria and toxins from the gut, preventing them from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This natural detoxifying effect can help reduce the burden on the liver and improve the body's ability to cleanse itself of toxins, leading to better overall health. 9. Improves mental health. Emerging research suggests that sauerkraut, along with other fermented foods, can have a positive impact on mental health due to its influence on the gut-brain axis. This connection between the gut and the brain means that a healthy gut microbiome can help regulate mood and emotional well-being. Probiotics in sauerkraut have been shown to alleviate symptoms of anxiety, stress, and depression by influencing the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which plays a key role in mood regulation. For individuals suffering from mental health challenges, adding sauerkraut to the diet may contribute to improved emotional stability and overall mental clarity. Furthermore, sauerkraut's ability to reduce gut inflammation can positively impact mental health. Chronic inflammation in the gut has been linked to conditions like depression and anxiety. 10. Boosts skin health. The benefits of sauerkraut extend beyond internal health, contributing to healthier skin as well. Sauerkraut's high vitamin C content supports collagen production, which is vital for maintaining skin elasticity, reducing wrinkles, and promoting a youthful appearance. Collagen is a protein that helps keep the skin firm and smooth, and a deficiency in this protein can lead to signs of aging. By regularly consuming sauerkraut, you can ensure your skin gets the nutrients it needs to stay plump and resilient, helping to delay the onset of wrinkles and sagging. Moreover, sauerkraut's probiotics help improve gut health, which has a direct impact on skin conditions. A healthy gut microbiome supports the skin by reducing inflammation and balancing hormone levels, both of which are linked to acne, eczema, and other skin disorders. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with someone who needs a sauerkraut boost, and subscribe to VitalityVista for more health-focused content. Have any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.